Hi guys, I wanted to share my Michael's clearance kind of winter themed haul because, sorry, I'm never ready. I want to be able to put the stuff up today. So that is my goal, and then I will do a share soon of my winter decorations, and then it'll be Valentine's. Anyway, so this week it's 70% off. Some of this I got at 70, some I got at 60, but whatever. I think this was 60% off. I'm going to put this where my poinsettia is. So now if they have them, it'd be $9. So not bad. Cute little kind of a frosted spruce. You can move it's wired, so you can move the branches around and stuff. So, and it's in this cute little basket, which I like. So I got that. And these I got at 70% off, and I thought, Valentine's Day, aren't those pretty? Yes, they have glitter on them, and yes, but I like glitter, so it's okay with me. And so these came out to $2.40 a stem, and I thought they're really long, which I'll probably have to cut them. So I got 3 of those for my Valentine's Day decorations. Let's see, and then I went, I think it was, I don't know what day it was. Every day is a blur right now. 70 off, so I got this for $3. Yeah, 3 times, yep, $3. And these are just more string lights, and they're little stars. So for $3, yes, please. And then I thought for my winter decorations, I'm doing kind of a snow teal theme, and so I'm using these, and then I can use them for their Creatology. So $1.50 for all of those, and they're felt. I don't know if they don't have a hole. Well, but I can punch a hole to make a banner if I choose to do anything with them. We'll see. Then I ordered, and I haven't shared my Temu haul yet, but I ordered a bunch of iron-on transfers. So this is what got me to go into the store the other day. I think it was yesterday. Anyway, these were $2.99, and I'm going to iron on, and these are cotton. Heavy cotton, yes. So that, because I can't do, Temu's shirts are always, so I got a variety of colors to go with the iron-on transfers that I haven't shared with you yet. Then these, I had almost gotten these. I thought these would be cute on my tree for the winter look. So $1.50. Cute, cute, cute. Don't you know? Jingle bells. And then I had looked at these and looked at these, so I finally, they're in the pastel kind of colors, and I think these are $1.50 too. Yeah, $4.99, and then, 70 off of that. So got those. This is what I do. I order online, and then I go back. And then I'm really excited about these. This is 6 feet. So for $3, and these are snowflakes to go with my snow theme for the winter. So yeah, I'm going to do it. I thought, no, you bought all this stuff. It'll keep I got to keep busy. I don't want to sit and think too much. My biggest worry is my boys, obviously. So Margaret cut my hair. A little short, but it grows. I'm going to tell her next time. Let's stay a little longer in the bangs, but anyway. She does everything. I mean, the woman is amazing. So I got more of these bows because these were $1.50, and I think that's a great price. And those could be for Valentine's Day. So there's those. And then one of these is going at the top of my tree, and then one in an arrangement. So, I don't know. They were $3.99, and I think I got 60 off of that, so $1.20 or something. I don't know did I show this already? I may have shown this. I apologize if I have. And this is for the tree. Yeah. It's been, well, it'll be a week ago today that we found out about my ex-husband. So it's just, life kind of goes, and I had to have this little snowman. Is he cute? So I've got those, and then I put them in. These are down to $3.99, and then I get my teacher discount on top of that. So why not? I love those things. So there's that. And oh, I got these silver balls for my tree too. I thought those would go with the, because I used to do silver and teal, and then I liked red for Christmas, so now I can do silver and teal again. Okay. And like I said, I apologize if I've shown this. I have no recollection. So I got these. These were all 60 off. I think I did show these little houses. I think I did. I'm sorry. Yep, I did. I remember now. Okay, never mind. So got those. I can't remember. One day to the next. I can't hardly remember what I have for dinner. Sheesh. Okay, so there's that. Sorry about that. And let's see here. Oh, yeah. And I don't know if I showed these or not for the tree. So isn't that going to be pretty? I'm so excited. And, okay, so then this stuff was 70 off. So, 60 cents to paint those up. They're all the little bows. These are what they look like. Well, seen it. I shouldn't do this. I shouldn't have bought it. But my gosh, it comes with the hanger, everything. Diamond art kit. I'm just going to keep it down here and hopefully work on it when I'm not, because my goal is to craft. I crafted downstairs yesterday with Margaret, but my goal is to craft mainly in my craft room now. So this could be downstairs for me to work on. Did I get? Okay. It's like, oh my god. I want a stain. I wanted a new stain, so I got 30 off of this, and it was $10.99, so whatever. Wood stain, and it's kind of, I've got this big wood sign I want to do, and staining is super fast. You don't have to prep the wood at all, so hang on. Their Valentine's is out. I thought these were cute, so I got those. I think it's 30 or 40, I can't remember off, so $3.99. Cute. Cute and more cute. These were 70 off, so $1.50. Mainly the girls love these things, so that's where I'm at with that. Oh, and here's a I just think for $1.50, can't go wrong with it, right? And I thought these were cool. Man, $12.99, but 70 off, so $1 times $3, $4. And they're white. They're already white, so that's kind of cool. And they're ornament shaped. I have wood ones. It's a whole thing. And then I got this pack. I just thought these were sweet and could be used in the winter. So $1.50. And it's just that simple craft colors. You get 6 bags. So not bad. Okay, then I stocked up on felt and a pack of foam because they had, my goal is to start using like my Sizzix Bigs dies, and that's perfect for using your felt. And so this was $1.50, and you get 15 pieces. Let's see what the quality is here. I collect felt. I collect everything, but I seem to like, it's okay. It's not thick. But even for the kids' crafts or something, I may donate this to the classroom or something. I love this minty green, and then I got a pack of white. So there's that, and then I got a pack of the white foam, and it's not as thick as others, but $1.50, 15 pieces, and I don't think they're not adhesive, but for putting behind things and stuff to lift them up. So it kind of gives you an idea. So my next goal today is to decorate and then share with you what I came up with. Okay, take care guys. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.